A very good day to Dr. Rehman and Miss Un. Today I would like to present my final year project 1, Gamification of e-wallet, a case study of Boost application. So for the introduction, I would like to explain more about my project. E-wallet is a software-based system that stores user payment information for numerous payment methods such as websites. By using e-wallet, users can quickly complete a payment transaction just by using their smartphone. In this era, we can see people prefer to use e-wallet instead of carrying cash around as it is more convenient. Users can play game in the application and earn rewards like discount or voucher after playing. There is a ranking system for the game that users on the application that determine the price for the user based on their ranking of the game. This is called the gamification of the e-wallet. So according to Webster's and Martocchio 1992, this ability to create gameful experience is not just limited to games and gamified services. Technological advance has offered ample opportunities for playful and positive experience to be included in the use of more traditional system, even though such system is not designed for that purpose. So just like the Boost app. So next will be the problem statement. With the evolution of popular e-wallet services, consumers and businesses in hundreds of thousands of people in Malaysia are implementing a new era of convenient and cashless transaction. Many consumers are turning into cashless society due to there are some problem using cash to carry out transactions such as ATM nearby in the location or potential of losing wallets or having it stolen. So moving on to research objective and my research question. So my research objective is to analyze the gamification features of the Boost application and to measure the perceived gameful experience of the Boost application. And for my research question, what are the gamification elements of the Boost application? What are the effects of gameful experience of the Boost application? Moving on to the literature review. According to Hutari and Hamari, gamification refers to a process of enhancing a service with affordance for gameful experiences in order to support users' overall creation. In e-banking, gamification has an exciting role to play in driving valuable customers' behavior, making complex operation easier and enjoyable, generating engagement with new products, and building customer loyalty. Gamification has the potential to influence and increase people's engagement and encourages certain behavior, which is said by Kuo and Chuang in 2016. Hamari in 2013 has also argued that loyalty programs with combination of games mechanism can provide significant benefits to customer who in response showed customer loyalty. So these are the related words that I took my literature review from. So in 2017, Hutari and Hamari wrote an article to examine the importance of gamification in service and marketing theory. Hamari in 2013 did a research by himself to analyze results of a 1.5 year long field experiments on gamifying and utilitarian trading service by the incorporation of badges, which has been considered the primary mechanism through which service have been gamified. So Rodriguez et al. In 2016 conducted a study to understand the factors that affects the adoption of gamification in e-banking. Harwood and Gary in 2015 did a study in attempt to provide empirical generated results into a gamification approach to online customer engagement and behavior. So now moving on to methodology. So my research design is using a quantitative research design. Quantitative research design emphasizes objective measurement and the statistical, mathematical, or numerical analysis of data collected through polls, questionnaires, and surveys. And my research instrument is I'm using questionnaire through Google Form. So the population I've selected is the general public. This will ensure more accurate data and more participants in my survey. And the research sample is simple random samplings. I'm doing a simple random samplings because it is more random and no biased opinion from anyone. So the questionnaire that I use is called Gameful Experience Gameful Quest questionnaire. The questionnaire contains 7 variables which are accomplishment, competition, challenge, guided, immersion, and social experience, and playfulness. These are all going to ask about the user's experience in using the Boost apps. This questionnaire uses the 7 Likert scale measurement. In conclusion, the gamification in e-wallet when used and designed properly can help make e-wallet experience more exciting, more interesting, and more enjoyable, and in turn increase customer acceptance, engagement, and satisfaction. High customer satisfaction will also enable e-service provider and their users to sustain a long-term relationship. Customer loyalty will ensure the sustainability of the Boost application. So these are the references that I use. That's all. Thank you for your time.